welcome back to my channel. So wonderful to have you here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I would like to give you my take on the happenings in the stock market regarding GameStop, AMC Theaters, Nokia, BlackBerry, and a total of 14 stocks that was traded, and how the Wall Street was outgamed by the Reddit individual investors, people like us. It is just unbelievable to me. Actually, I wasn't so much surprised, because when I saw that, when I learned what happened, because I saw the breaking news after breaking news after breaking news, and I was so busy dealing with patients and dealing with my work, and I was definitely not following at all what was going on, but I was getting all these breaking news after breaking news after breaking news. And when I looked into it, I was like, okay, I have to make a video on this. Why? Because it literally comes back to what I was saying since April 2020, and even before then in June, July 2019. So please watch one of my first videos, which I filmed in April 2020, where I explained that the 2000 years of Piscean Age is completing, and we are entering into the 2000 years of Aquarian Age, and we have entered majorly in December 2020. And there I explained how the new system of the world will be based on the people, the power of people, the diminishment of power players, the diminishment of restrictive governments, the diminishment of restrictive companies or establishment, the diminishment of establishment. That is what I was talking about there in that video. Please go ahead and watch that video, because this is exactly what I've been talking about. The power of people is there. Many people told me that we will probably not see this in my lifetime. And I said, look, it will be soon. Well, not even. Many people say it will be 20 years that we will see, of course, 2,200 and 2,000 years, but we will see this much, much sooner. That's what I've been saying. And literally, I kind of expected this to be this soon. I was not surprised that some group of Reddit individual traders literally outgamed the hedge funds, which are short selling, making the stocks go down and making profit off these stocks that are actually crashing down. And as you know, if you follow it, AMC Theaters almost filed bankruptcy because the stocks were getting so down, or they were so down. I was actually literally following it for a year or so. GameStop, AMC Theaters, Nokia, they were all, BlackBerry, they were all going down. Now, what they did, the Reddit individual traders, they said, you know what, let's turn this game around, let's invest in all of these stocks. And then the stock of GameStop literally jumped about 1,400%. 1,400%. It was just going up, and like 400%, 600%, 1,400%. Robinhood, who is a company based on the individual investors like us, like the people, and they shut down the buying of these 14 stocks. They allowed selling them, but they did not allow the purchase of these stocks. Literally, they blocked it. They blocked the people's power to purchase these stocks. And that moment, all the stocks went down again. All of these stocks, the 14 stocks, went down again in order to protect basically the hedge fund guys. But of course, the CEO of Robinhood denies this, and they receive a huge backlash from the Congress members, from the people, from companies, from everyone, from Republicans, from Democrats, from everyone. They received a huge backlash saying this is a crime. They are manipulating, literally manipulating the stock market by purposefully blocking the purchase of the stocks and thus benefiting the hedge fund guys. And what happened after this backlash, this strong backlash, including 2 class action was filed. One by the Southern District of New York was filed against Robinhood because of they believe it's or actually everybody believes it's a crime because they're purposefully manipulating the market, which is a crime. But also, which since ages the hedge fund guys, the Wall Street was actually doing it, right? Purposefully manipulating the stock market by short selling them. I mean, everybody knew this game, right? What they are playing and how they actually literally having the stock market under control. Everybody knew this, but nobody was talking about it. Now suddenly when the normal people are doing it, the normal people, like the people are doing it, then suddenly it's like, whoa, what's happening? And also Texas AG, the Attorney General of Texas, also filed a lawsuit against Robinhood. Robinhood denies it. Robinhood CEO denies it, says absolutely has nothing to do with that. We don't support any hedge funds, although one of the largest hedge funds is actually the large supporter of the Robinhood platform. So Robinhood denies it, saying we have absolutely no intent to benefiting them. It was just absolutely a case of financial requirements that we have. Although there was absolutely no financial requirements that was just suddenly put upon them, Robinhood says that it was because of the financial requirements. When then was asked, do you have liquidity issues? They said, no, we don't have liquidity issues at all, and blah, blah, blah. So because of all the backlash, they announced that they will open up the purchasing of these 14 stocks back again on Friday morning. So what is now going on is that number one, the people power has spoken, and to me it will not stop. Expect to see more of this. I personally expect the hedge fund scenarios to be breaking down one by one by one. This issue will be addressed in the Congress. Many people are now aware, and I think individual investors, like the people, the normal people, the folks, right, they will invest more in these stocks or even other failing stocks, just to make sure, number one, the hedge fund guys, the Wall Street, is being beaten by their own game, which they announced that they have billions of dollars of loss just because of these Reddit individual traders. And basically the hedge fund guys, they were literally have fallen into their own game they played. Incredible stuff. I'm super excited about this. I personally predict that this will go on. I don't think it will stop. To me, I predict it will be really, the stock market will be up and down because the game will be played back and forth for some time, I think. But I don't think the Reddit investors or the general public or the public investors, the individual investors will stop. They will continue and they will change the dynamic of the stock market. That's what I believe will happen. I believe more people power will be on the rise. The establishment will be going down one by one, which was the example this week. Literally what I have been saying for so long time. The time has come. The people power is here, is literally right here. And we saw it incredibly in the stock market. Wow. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Were you one of these people who couldn't purchase these stocks? You wanted to, but you couldn't. If you are on the Robinhood platform or other platforms, let me know in the comments. Please like and share this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.